So the time is here where we are going to request जनरल MM नरावने सर टू लॉन्च द सॉन्ग और अब हमारे आज के प्रमुख अतिथि जनरल MM नरावने सर इस सॉन्ग का इनॉग्रेशन करेंगे, तो मैं उनसे विनती करता हूं कि आज के सॉन्ग का इनॉग्रेशन करें। जनरल MM नरावने सर।
धनक धनक शोर मचा, धनक धनक शोर मचा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, धनक धनक शोर मचा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, लौंग फलक चांद तलक हिंसा का दौर मिटा, सरहद देती आवाज उसको वीरों पे नाज, माटी का मान बने याद करो उनको आज। चल दो चल दो चल दो चल दो।
You can see me, no?
Mr. Sanjay Nar, this is to inform you that our Chief of Army Staff has already arrived. You may still can start with the proceedings.
Yes, sir. Please. आपका बहुत पहले से स्वागत है और हमें ये गर्व की बात है पुणे से और खास महाराष्ट्र के लोगों के लिए कि आप इस सॉन्ग का लोकार्पण करने जा रहे हैं। रिलीज के लिए बोलिए सर को म्यूट कर।
So we are fortunate enough to have the General MM Naravane, the Chief of the Army Staff, with us now, and I take the pleasure to request him that he launch the Kargil Marathon song for today. This is the golden moment when we can see the launch of the Kargil Marathon song, inspiring the youth towards the mainstream of India. It's been done by our chief guest of the day, MM Naravane, General MM Naravane. Thank you so much, sir. Our guest of honors, Mr. Satish Khandari, sir, to have a few words of motivation and about their experience. I would request Mr. Satish Khandari, sir, to speak a bit.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're clearly audible.
Good afternoon, respected Army Chief, Commissioner Pimpri Chinchwad, Sri Krishna Prakash, Shankar Mahadevanji, and of course Sanjay Nahar and everybody who is present in this meet. It is literally honor to work with Sarhad in this special event of organizing Kargil Marathon. Everybody is aware about the work Sarhad is doing, especially for J&K and now Ladakh UT. They are doing a tremendous and commendable work in Ladakh, and it is an effort on behalf of Sarhad to reach to the people of Ladakh. And in that process, I mean, we are planning to organize a Kargil Marathon this year on 31st October. I compliment Sarhad organization for that. And I also compliment the songwriter, the musician, the singer who has, I mean, beautifully composed and I mean sung this wonderful song. I'm sure it will motivate, I mean, many people, I mean, to visit I mean Kargil and participate in Kargil Marathon. And we are of course honored to be associated with Sarhad in our
Padma Shri Shankar Mahadevan, sir, and all the one who are sitting here would be much more excited to listen a couple of lines from your side, sir. Please.
First of all, thank you very much for making me a part of this song. It's really an honor to be part of this historical song because we are musicians. and the kind of work that we do is totally insignificant as compared to what you people do. And today we have the honor of having the chief of the army and all the police force over here who are doing selfless work for our country. And I'm so happy that my contribution, a minuscule contribution, is there towards our country. So first of all, I'd like to salute all of you all, sir. Thank you for making me part of this song. And it's beautifully composed by Mazhar and written so beautifully by Prabhaji. I'm just the vehicle, the voice to reach this song out to the people. And I hope that the message that we all are trying to give the people, it reaches out and it makes a difference in people's lives. So as requested by Sarahad School, I just sing 2 lines of the song. The part which you all did not hear, it comes later. कारगिल की चोटी पर सूरज ने आंख खोली, अंगड़ाई ले उठी सरहद पे भोर भोली, दौड़ है ये मान है धरती के सम्मान की, दे गई कुर्बानियां रणवीरों की शान की, थमना नहीं रुकना नहीं थकना नहीं, चल दौड़ हाँ दौड़ तू दौड़ बस दौड़ चल दौड़। भारत माता की जय। संजय जी, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
अब आई आवाज?
अभी ठीक है, हाँ बोलिए सर।
तो आज ये हमारे लिए सौभाग्य का क्षण है कि महाराष्ट्र के सुपुत्र जो आज इस देश के सेना के प्रमुख है, उनके हाथों से इस गीत का लोकार्पण हो रहा है, जिसको डॉक्टर प्रभाकिरण जी जैन इन्होंने लिखा है। युवा संगीतकार मजहर सिद्दीकी ने इसको संगीत दिया है। शंकर महादेव जी महादेवन, जो इस देश के युवाओं पर जिनका एक राज है, पद्मश्री, उन्होंने गाया है। और
धनक धनक शोर मचा, धनक धनक शोर मचा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, धनक धनक शोर मचा, तनक तनक जोर लगा, लौंग फलक चांद तलक हिंसा का दौर मिटा, सरहद देती आवाज उसको वीरों पे नाज, माटी का मान बने याद करो उनको आज। चल दौड़ 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 चल दौड़।
वाह, ये गाना सुनने के बाद मन से सिर्फ एक ही आवाज आती है, वाह। माटी का मान बने याद करे उनको। General MM Naravane sir, the Chief of the Army Staff, I would request to bless us with your few words, sir.
Thank you and good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank Mr. Sanjay Nahar, the founder of Sarhad NGO and the brains behind the Kargil International Marathon, as also Mr. Satish Khandare, the ADG Police of Ladakh, Mr. Feroz Ahmed Khan, the Chief Executive Commissioner of the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Authority, and members of the audience who are present here today to witness the virtual release of the Kargil International Marathon song today. I would also like to extend a very special thanks to Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, who was very gracious to sing us a few lines as part of this function. Sarhad, as a foundation, has served the cause of national integration by providing educational and vocational opportunities to the children and youth from the border areas of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, and the Northeast. In the past 30 years, the organization led by Mr. Nair has worked towards peace by supporting the victims of terrorism and economic troubles through the provision of free education. Many of these youth have done exceedingly well in their adult professional lives and have gone on to become brand ambassadors of India in their respective communities. Sarhad has catered for more than 4,000 students from remote communities in India's border areas and brought them to reputed educational institutes in Pune. They have also been instrumental in persuading and motivating hundreds of youth to shun the path of militancy and build a better future for themselves. In all these efforts, they have supplemented the efforts of the Indian Army and the local government. As you all are aware, even the Army has contributed immensely towards nation building in the border areas through its Ops Sadbhavna and Ops Samaritan. And we believe in an all hands on deck approach when it comes to supporting our fellow citizens in following the path of development and growth.
Shankarji Mahadevan, ADG and Chief of Ladakh Police, Honorable Sri Satish Khandare, Mr. Mazhar, who has composed this music, Himakshi, the compeer, and last but not the least, Sanjay Nahaji, and all the people of army, civilians, and police who are in this ceremony of launching of this composition, beautiful composition, full of patriotism. I am really honored to be the part of this, and you have made me the brand ambassador for this purpose. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now the most awaited moment for us, that we will be gratified with the words of chief guest of today, the General M.M. Naravane, sir, the Chief of the Army Staff. I would request to bless us with your few words, sir.
Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank Mr. Sanjay Nair, the founder of Sarhad NGO, and the brains